Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We got another thrift haul here for you today, so we'll go ahead and get started. This is at our regular chain that we go to. And yeah, let's see what we got here. We have, first up is this Tommy Bahama kids jean jacket. And I normally wouldn't pick this up, but it is new without tag, so we can tell. I mean, it feels new, but it's also got that extra where a tag was. So that's cool. Decided to give that a go. We have just one Harley piece today. This is unique enough to pick up. This Harley Davidson large women's shirt, lace sleeves, you know, decent graphic there. Just something a little bit different about it, so I decided to grab that. We have here a J. Jill. We found quite a bit of J. Jill today. This is a Pima 3/4 sleeve scoop neck tee in an XL petite. There's a slight stripe detail as well. J. Jill, a lot of that stuff's going to be in that 20 to 25 range, and it just sells. So we've got a Torrid 3 classic fit, just standard long sleeve black pullover. This is new with tags, J. Jill Pure Jill. This is like the soft knot top, it's called. It's got like that fake tie detail at the bottom. It's a very light pinkish color. New with tags, should be able to get 35-ish for that. Grabbing some Talbot's new with tags stuff. And so this is a pink pair of Talbot's Perfect Crop Slim Leg in a 22, and they are new with tags. And they've got, you know, just a little bit of detail there on the inside. But this is definitely like a nice resort wear. So, you know, someone heading south maybe for a little bit in the winter time might want something like this. Knox Rose, I think just one Knox Rose piece today, but this is a 2XL, nice purple, lots of lace detail there, floral lace. Pretty standard long sleeve offering from Knox Rose. And here we have a Torrid in a size 2. And this is like a, oh, this is inside out. Let's see if I can flip this around here. Yeah, here we go. So it's just like this kind of half open drapey thing, but it's got the zip back and very kind of high-low sheer. That should do pretty well. What do we have here? This is an Eileen Fisher in an extra large. Nice purple. Another Pure Jill. This is the Pure Jill elliptical layered top. And so it's just kind of a standard, you know, 3/4 sleeve or whatever, but it's an open V on the back there, as you can see. So that's where the layered bit comes in. You want to wear something under that. We have a pair of, if I can find the tag. Oh my God. Where is it? I am having a hard time finding the tag on these. Oh yeah, here we go, okay. J. Jill Wherever Collection pants in this funky kind of like palm tree sort of print. Nice stretchy wide leg pants. These will do well. Again, another resort wear style tag item. And we got this new with tags. I think this is Lane Bryant. Yes, it is. This is Lane Bryant, the ankle mid-rise in a black size 22, 24. Just a, you know, standard offering, but new with tags, we'll pick that up. This is a Torrid size 1. So this is almost like a blazer top, or a blazer. Let's see if I can get this here. Yeah, it's in pretty nice condition. It actually feels really new. So I don't know what that'll be worth, but probably in the 30s somewhere, maybe 40s. We've got another new with tags. This is a Talbot's 1X, and it's just like a nice little pullover sweater, but it's got this kind of raised. You can see here these raised little dots of fabric in a navy blue. That's pretty nice. So I decided to grab that. Again, Talbot's is one of those brands that, yeah, we're not selling a lot of it or whatever, but new with tag stuff we pick up, or something really unique or substantial like this. This is a new with tags, a 2X, and it's this nice blue, soft blue and white trim, 100% linen knit pullover sweater. So that's really nice. Oh yeah, this is a pair of Patagonia size large. This women's kind of jogger style pants. And this is another Eileen Fisher. I believe this is Eileen Fisher. Yes, it is. It's a size medium hoodie, like a full zip hoodie. It's in good condition. Like a hoodie jacket, I guess. And it does have like, you know, some ties at the bottom and stuff. So yeah, that should do really well. Found this. This is the first time I've seen this brand, but I remembered the brand itself from somebody else's video. This is Psycho Bunny, and this is just a polo in a men's. Well, it's all in UK sizing. This is a size 7. I have no idea what that translates to, but looks like probably a men's large or maybe even extra large. So I'll have to do a little bit of double checking on that, but this looks like brand new. And when I was looking up comps, just to double check to make sure that I was remembering the brand correctly, yeah, it looks like this will go for around 50. So that's good. And the last item for this haul is this Torrid in a size 20. It's got the nice elastic waistband there. Just a pair of stretchy jeans. Nice wide leg, natural fade. So these probably do in the, you know, 30 to 40 range. And yeah, so that's it for this haul. No, like, you know, just super, super huge items there, but some good value for sure. So this haul was about 150 bucks, and I'm guessing this is probably at least a 5X. Maybe even a 6. There are some decent items there, but anyways, that's it. We'll keep it nice and short today. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace.